Hi, welcome back to Learning with CJ. This is going to be another quick video. Basically, sometimes you're going to be in a situation where you want to convert some text to all caps or go back to not being all caps. So you can see in my example here, I've got the letters CPU all in lowercase, when realistically in my document it should be in uppercase. So the easiest way to get that in uppercase is to simply use the shortcut Control-Shift-A. And what that does, it allows me to toggle the all caps function. So just simply by going Control-Shift-A, it allows me to have it go from being all caps to lower caps and vice versa. Very quick shortcut to learn. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.